Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Volvo XC60 continues to represent the perfect blend of Scandinavian elegance, advanced technology, and everyday functionality. With refined styling and a focus on sustainability, Volvo's compact luxury SUV gets a meaningful refresh that makes it even more desirable for families, commuters, and luxury car enthusiasts alike. From the outside, the 2025 XC60 looks sharper and more dynamic. Volvo has given it a sleeker grille, revised LED headlight design, and updated wheel options that enhance its presence on the road. The new Thor's Hammer headlights now feature adaptive LED technology that improves visibility and adds a more futuristic look to the front fascia. Around the back, subtle tweaks to the taillights and rear bumper give it a more sculpted and premium finish. Step inside, and the XC60 welcomes you with one of the cleanest and most calming interiors in its class. Volvo continues to embrace minimalist design, using high-quality materials like natural wood, leather, and metal accents. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, thanks to improved insulation and a focus on acoustic comfort. The seats are designed for long-haul comfort, offering great support and adjustability, with the option of massage and ventilation functions. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the vertically oriented 9-inch infotainment screen powered by Google built-in. It comes with native Google Maps, Assistant, and access to apps through the Play Store. It's one of the most intuitive systems in the segment, with excellent voice recognition and over-the-air update capability. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are still supported, and the available Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers incredible audio clarity that rivals high-end home systems. Under the hood, the 2025 XC60 offers a choice between mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The B5 mild hybrid comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt system, delivering smooth acceleration and improved efficiency. For those who want a greener option, the T8 recharged plug-in hybrid offers up to 40 miles of electric-only range and a combined output of over 450 horsepower. It's powerful, quiet, and perfect for short commutes without using a drop of gas. Driving the XC60 is a serene experience. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, and the steering is light yet precise. With optional adaptive air suspension, the ride becomes even more composed, especially on highways. Volvo's Pilot Assist system provides semi-autonomous driving assistance for highway cruising, keeping the vehicle centered and maintaining a safe distance from other cars. Add to that features like cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, and you've got one of the safest SUVs money can buy. Volvo is also pushing its sustainability agenda forward. The XC60's interior features recycled materials, and Volvo has pledged to be carbon neutral by 2040. Even the production processes for the XC60 are now cleaner and more energy efficient than ever before. Cargo space remains practical, with plenty of room behind the rear seats and even more when you fold them flat. The hands-free tailgate and underfloor storage add convenience for daily tasks or road trips. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Volvo XC60 remains competitive within the luxury SUV market. While it's not the cheapest, it offers a premium experience with standard safety features, upscale materials, and thoughtful technology that make it worth every dollar. Trim levels include Core, Plus, and Ultimate, with the Recharge models sitting at the top of the lineup. Whether you're a tech-savvy driver, a style-conscious buyer, or someone who prioritizes safety and sustainability, the 2025 Volvo XC60 checks all the boxes. It's a modern SUV that doesn't just meet expectations. It redefines what a compact luxury SUV should be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more car reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new XC60. See you next time.